The Hidden Maintenance Team. A story of two teams. Team 1. The Proactive Maintainers. Team 2. The Reactive Builders. Ignoring problems. The lesson: hidden maintenance is the secret to long-lasting team success. Be the team that maintains. Check, correct, succeed.